Okay, this video today is going to be how to make a weight to run the escapements that we've designed here, and I'm just going to run through a few different ones we've used in the past. This is just a rock. I drilled a hole in the top of it, and I put some glue and a paper clip in there and let it dry for a while, and it held fine. This is a clock that I made a long time ago, and get this way. That's the weight, and it is I sawed that out with a hole saw, and then sawed out the center again. So there's little rings, and I stacked the rings up, and then I filled it with lead. That's about an 8-pound weight, so that's another way to do it. It's quite a bit of work, though. You can buy these shells from Cuckoo Clock, and then this one's filled with lead, and it runs this old clock that I made a long time ago. And then this is our 6-arm escapement, and what I'm doing now is making these weights out of concrete, and this is a Pepsi bottle turned upside down, and then I just fill however much weight I need into the bottle, and that's how that's being done. And that's the way I'm going to make weights for a while. It's really easy, it's quick. I bought a whole bag of concrete, and I have a lifetime supply as long as it doesn't get any moisture at all. This is on the Galileo escapement, and what we're driving that with is just a bottle with water in it. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this is the weight after I've filled a Pepsi bottle with concrete. It's not all the way full, but I stopped it where I needed to get the weight that I was looking for, and that worked real well. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you is to drill a hole in the bottom of the container that we're going to use to make the weight. And this happens to be a roasted peanut container, and I'm shooting for 3 pounds, 13 ounces. I just took a paper clip and bent it around in a loop, and then I'm going to stick these two ends in that hole, and it'll spread out in there. And then when I fill this with concrete, that will be all the way around that loop. Whoa, okay. I've weighed this out, and it's just a little bit under my target weight of 3 pounds, 13 ounces, and I know I'm okay because I'll be adding a little bit of water, and that should get me real close. I'm going to bend this so it doesn't interfere too much with my concrete. So I need to mix this. And I'm not going to make you watch the mixing, but that's what I'm going to be doing next. Okay, I got my container filled, and I checked the weight and it's 3 pounds 14 ounces. That's close as I need to get. You can see how it's smoothing up there on the top. My handy concrete tool. Okay, there's your weight.